How to download songs on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will show you how you can download songs on Spotify. So to get started, first of all, open up your Spotify application on your mobile phone. So once you do that, you'll be appear with your home page on Spotify. So in order to download the song, what you need to do is, for instance, I've selected this particular playlist to download it on my phone. What you can do is, once you click on any playlist, you can see the arrow button right there. All you have to do is simply tap on that arrow button. Once you tap on it, your songs will start getting downloaded on your Spotify. But just make sure that to download songs on Spotify and listen it offline, you will have to subscribe a premium package for the Spotify. So once the download process is over, you can listen to your songs that you have downloaded offline or online. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.